How to use Gemini to buy and send Bitcoins. Hook, have you ever wondered how to dip your toes into the world of cryptocurrency without the technical jargon and complicated processes? Today, we're going to simplify the process and show you how to buy and send Bitcoins using Gemini, a user-friendly platform designed for everyone. Context: the cryptocurrency market has exploded in recent years, with Bitcoin leading the charge. But for many, the idea of buying and sending crypto can seem daunting. That's where Gemini comes in. It's a platform that bridges the gap between traditional finance and the world of crypto, making it easy for anyone to get started. Step 1. Creating a Gemini account. Let's start by creating a Gemini account. Head over to Gemini's website and click on Sign Up. You'll be asked to provide your email address and create a strong password. Once you've verified your email, you'll be prompted to provide some personal information. Step 2. Verifying your identity. To ensure security, Gemini requires you to verify your identity. This process usually involves providing a photo of your ID and taking a selfie. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure for most financial platforms. Step 3. Funding your account. Now that your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Gemini offers various funding methods, including bank transfers, debit card, and credit card. Choose the method that suits you best and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Buying Bitcoin. Once your account is funded, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. On the Gemini homepage, you'll see a section where you can buy and sell crypto. Click on Buy and select Bitcoin. You'll be asked to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Gemini will display the equivalent amount in your chosen currency. Confirm the purchase and your Bitcoin will be added to your wallet. Understanding your Bitcoin wallet. Think of your Bitcoin wallet as a digital safe where you store your crypto. Gemini provides a secure wallet for its users. You can access your wallet at any time to view your Bitcoin balance and transaction history. Sending Bitcoin. To send Bitcoin to someone else, you'll need their Bitcoin address. This is a unique string of characters that identifies their wallet. Enter the recipient's address, the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, and confirm the transaction. Your Bitcoin will be on its way. Security tips. Strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for your Gemini account. Consider using a password manager to help you create and manage complex passwords. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA for added security. This requires you to provide a code from your phone or another device in addition to your password. Cold storage. For long-term storage, consider using a cold wallet. This is a physical device that stores your private keys offline, making it more secure. Conclusion. As you can see, buying and sending Bitcoins using Gemini is a straightforward process. With a few simple steps, you can be part of the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Call to action. If you're ready to start your crypto journey, sign up for a Gemini account today. It's a safe, reliable, and user-friendly platform that makes it easy to buy, sell, and send Bitcoin. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.